What's up, guys? This is my fourth video, yes. And I'm gonna be showing you my this thing, Zippo lighter. And yes, indeed, it is a Zippo. It's an lag. Alright, I don't know if you've seen that lag, but okay. You can't zoom in on my phone, so that's a Zippo. It's one of these lighters. It has that detail, and then it has a place for you to engrave your name. And then I don't have any fuel in here, but I replaced the flint. But a small flint, so it only lasts for like 100 times. And yeah, this is just a short little video to show you my Zippo. It's awesome. Yep. Here's a Zippo trick that that Cutler lover showed me. Sorry about that. I can't hold up my phone. Alright, so you go like that. You hold your like that, and then you hold it like that, and then you go like that, and then you go phew, and then you bang the end of your lighter, and then lights on fire, and then you go and then you eat it. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye bye.